mass reporting.
He was saying
The guy with
he
the
was saying the
purple
N-word
hat.
hard R and the F slur.
Brother, bigger question, why?
Cause I got nothing to live for.
If you really feel this way, then there's always people to talk to and get help with. And if you can't find anyone, I will gladly talk to you and help you. Because that's not something that you should. That's not something you should be going through. I'm okay. If you don't have any friends, I'm your friend. I care about you. I love you. I care about you. Okay. You're under the age of 18, right?
Yeah.
No, right?
It's like
Okay.
Timothy. Like
Yeah.
Timothy.
Yeah.